Dinner time arrived, and a strange hand held out a bottle. A woman urged a man to drink from it quickly, warning that their mother would grow angry. Otherwise, the man looked confused, unsure what was going on. The woman took a drink first to set an example, looking content as she sipped. She then passed the bottle to him, but he noticed strands of hair stuck to it and firmly refused. No matter how hard she pressed him, their mother flew into a rage. She opened the door to a dungeon, climbed down, patted the obedient woman, then lunged at the man. She grabbed him by the legs and dragged him to a small room where a video of a mother nursing an infant played on the TV. Left behind in the dungeon, the woman spotted the door had been left unlocked. She climbed out quietly and peeked into the room, only to see their mother nursing the man. Herself terrified, she tried to run, yet the door was locked. Alerted by the commotion, their mother turned to catch her. The woman smashed through the skylight and scrambled out just in time, with a homeless man lending her a hand. Their mother had no choice but to give up. The homeless man seemed to want to tell her something, but the frightened woman could not bring herself to listen.